Ready for the ultimate showdown between the iPhone 17 Pro and Google Pixel 10 Pro? Today, we're diving deep into their displays, processors, cameras, batteries, build quality, memory, and standout features. Which phone boasts the brightest, most vibrant screen? Does the Apple A19 Pro or Google Tensor G5 deliver superior performance? How do their cameras stack up in real-world shooting? And with battery life and durability on the line, which one truly deserves your money? Stick around, because by the end, you'll face the burning question. Is the Pixel 10 Pro finally the iPhone 17 Pro killer, or is Apple still reigning supreme? Both phones sport a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rates. But the Pixel 10 Pro edges out with a higher resolution of 1280 by 2856 pixels and a peak brightness of 3300 nits, making it the brightest screen on the market. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro shines with its Super Retina XDR OLED, Ceramic Shield 2, and the innovative Dynamic Island feature that transforms notifications into interactive elements. The Pixel's always-on display is a plus, but Apple's display tech and user experience innovations give it a distinctive edge. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro runs on the Apple A19 Pro chipset with a hexa-core CPU clocked up to 4.40 GHz, while the Pixel 10 Pro uses the Google Tensor G5 with an octa-core setup topping at 3.78 GHz. Apple's integrated 6-core GPU combined with Neural Engine offers optimized performance and efficiency, especially for AI tasks, giving it a slight advantage in raw power and machine learning capabilities over the Pixel's Imagination Power VR GPU. The iPhone 17 Pro features a versatile triple 48-megapixel camera system with a wide f1.6 lens and a periscope telephoto offering 4x optical zoom, complemented by a LiDAR scanner for depth and AR applications. The Pixel 10 Pro ups the zoom ante with 5x optical telephoto and a 50-megapixel wide lens but lacks LiDAR. Apple's advanced video capabilities like ProRes RAW and Dolby Vision HDR at up to 60 FPS make it the go-to for professional videographers. Apple packs in dual LED dual-tone flash, sensor shift OIS, and Smart HDR5, plus macro photography and dual recording modes, pushing creative boundaries. The Pixel counters with multi-zone laser AF, Pixel Shift for ultra-high detail, and AI-powered Best Take for selecting your best shot. However, Apple's extensive pro-level features and periscope stabilization give it the creative edge. Pixel's larger 4870 mAh battery promises longer endurance compared to iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 Li on-cell. This means more screen-on time and less charging anxiety for Pixel users, especially critical for power users and gamers. Both phones flaunt premium glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but Apple's Ceramic Shield 2 front and back offer enhanced toughness compared to Pixel's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This ceramic technology translates into better drop resistance and durability for the iPhone. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro boasts an IP68 rating with immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, doubling the Pixel's 1.5-meter depth rating. Plus, Apple Pay's extensive certification adds seamless mobile payment convenience, making it more versatile for daily use. Pixel 10 Pro leads with up to 16 gigs RAM across all storage variants, surpassing iPhone's 12 gig, which could translate into better multitasking and future-proofing. Storage options are comparable, but Pixel's higher RAM count is a notable advantage for heavy users. Apple's ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip supports precise location tracking alongside emergency SOS via satellite and spatial 3D video audio, plus vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance. Pixel counters with satellite SOS, Titan M2 Security Copilot, and AI Gemini Nano for enhanced security and AI tasks, but Apple's dual capture recording and spatial audio features add a richer multimedia experience. Price-wise, the Pixel 10 Pro undercuts the iPhone 17 Pro by $100, offering high-end specs at a slightly more accessible price point, which could sway budget-conscious buyers looking for flagship performance.